Hey, welcome to Backyard Blossoms. Hi, I'm Joe. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so happy to share, and I hope that we can just grow and learn together. So today I want to talk a little bit about reading, and I want to talk about something that has been very special to our family and dear to my heart, which is reading, but also how we've used reading and how we use TV and YouTube to practice reading and to learn reading over the years of our homeschooling. I have some notes here, so if I look down so that I don't ramble, but I'm excited to share. We're a big reading household. We love reading. A rite of passage in our family is actually every time someone learns how to read, they get to get their own Kindle. I always say that's the only device I will let you take to bed and only screen that you can use whenever you want. So we're a big reading household here. We all go to bed reading at night. Some of them love it more than others, to tell you the truth, but for the most part, we all really enjoy reading audiobooks, listening to books. We go to book festival every year. It's a big part of our family culture. So I'm excited to share how we have used TV and YouTube to help us learn reading. So if that's something that interests you, please keep watching. So our first thing I want to talk about is reading being more than just decoding. So it's not just about sounding out the words, but it's also about fluency. It's about listening, seeing, repetition. All of those things really help us, children, to be able to develop the skill to be able to read. But we have used TV, honestly, for all three of those things. We have used it for phenomic awareness, and we have used it to help with fluency and repetition as well. So first of all, let's start with TV. How we use TV in our household is simply starting out with the basic shows that are like on PBS. So we would watch Super Y, Sesame Street, those type of shows that really have a reading focus. One of my children had a Super Y party, I think for his second or third birthday. So those shows really help to just build a love around language, a love around letters, and help children really grow from there. So for YouTube specifically, we have watched a lot of different channels over the years that have really helped us. So channels like Meet the Sight Words, Meet the Letters, they help meet the colors and meet the numbers. Those channels do teach kind of like what the sounds are, but they come with a picture too, so that the child has the sound and also has like a cool picture that lets them see kind of what the letters do. The letters do, and sight words do certain things, and that helps them understand that. And then we also watch a lot of song channels. So one was Heidi Songs. We did her program. I don't know if that's still around or she still has her channel, because that was some years ago now for us, because like I told you, my oldest one is in ninth grade and my youngest one is in 4th. But we did Heidi Songs. She has songs. She came with videos. She also has curriculum that she has developed that also had worksheets that went with it, and different movements that went with the words and sounds and letters that really helped them develop phenomic awareness as well. And also songs like Jack Hartmann's Learning Channel, where it's just songs and dancing and fun. I try to incorporate songs in any area that I can incorporate songs, because when you're singing something, when you're moving, when there's movement involved, it really helps you remember. So we have used those over the years, and I'll try to link those channels and any other information. I would say of all the 3, Heidi Songs was really the one that helped them really learn like phenomic awareness and beginning sight words. It really pushed them forward as far as their reading skills. The other surprising thing that we've done that has helped reading fluency when it comes to YouTube would be karaoke. The Disney karaoke has little Mickey Mouse that bounces underneath each of the words, but most karaoke's, even for adults, kind of highlight the word, that the song is slow down and move past the word. That really helps with reading fluency and being able to kind of match the hearing the word and seeing the word and kind of seeing it sounded out a little bit as you're singing it. And they all, of course, kids love songs. A lot of them watch the Disney movies. They know those Disney songs, so they already have an understanding. So seeing that really helps. The last thing that we have really done in our homeschool to help with reading and using TV and YouTube that we still do actually to this day. That we will put the subtitles on when we're watching almost any type of movie, any type of show. Because once again, they're seeing the words, they're hearing the words, and that really does help. In addition to that, we will also watch read alouds on TV. So a lot of times when libraries will have read aloud times that they will record, especially once COVID happened, a lot of libraries were recording their reading times online. So the librarian would actually have the book on the screen and she would be reading it, so that helped. But even then, we'll put the subtitles on, and sometimes subtitles do not always match what is said, but you think that would be a negative, but actually it helps them practice their reading skills even more, because everyone will start laughing and be like, oh, she didn't say that, that's not really what it said, but I know that they are reading. So those are just a few of the ways that we've used YouTube and TV in our homeschool that have been fun and exciting ways. We really have enjoyed it, and we still still put the subtitles on. We still watch books on TV if we can. So those are two great resources that can really help learning in a fun way. Not every child is in love with reading as we sometimes would like as the mom or the homeschooling parent. But these are fun ways where sometimes they don't even really realize, hey, I'm practicing those reading skills. So I would love to hear from you if you have used YouTube or you have used TV for reading. Please share what programs you used or what shows that you watched. What was your outcomes? How did your kids like it? And let's all grow together. And maybe, I love to grow my resources too for my kids, because most of them are really good readers now, but we're always looking for a great new read, a new story, a new method to try. So I hope that you found that helpful, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.